This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox Series X, then waiting about 10 minutes to reduce stored charge. Put on an ESD wrist strap to protect circuits, and organize Torque's T8 and T10 drivers and pry tools. Once done, flip the console and remove rubber feet. There are hidden screws under them. Then unscrew the external shell using Torque's drivers. Make sure to place screws in separate piles so reassembly is straightforward, and you won't mix up short and long fasteners. You'll now peel away internal plastic covers and unscrew metal shields with the T10 driver to reveal the disk drive. Carefully note connector orientations, then gently disconnect the ribbon cable by lifting its latch and pulling the cable straight out to avoid damage. Next, remove SATA power and data connectors with a steady pull. Once connectors are clear, unbolt the drive's mounting screws while supporting it with your other hand so it doesn't fall, and extract the drive smoothly. This prevents strain on fragile connectors. You install the replacement drive by seating it in the bay, aligning screw holes, and tightening the mounts evenly so the drive sits flush. Reconnect the SATA data and power cables and reattach the ribbon cable, ensuring latches click. Then reassemble metal shields and the external shell, returning screws to their labeled piles. Once assembled, plug in and boot with a test disk to confirm spin, read, and eject functions. If the drive isn't detected, reset cables and check ribbon orientation. Loose connectors are the common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.